Hello Uganda, hello Busoga. My name is Atika Shakira. By God's grace, I'm the second runners-up Miss Tourism Busoga 2024-2025. Nenda okwebaza isaife baba Chabazinga, Mama Kadaga, nowe chichibwa Mami Helen Namutamba. Abawala era nayenda okwissuusayo abantu abaidde ekagulo okutuwagira n'abantu mwena bena abaatulonda mwebale ino tweyanziize ino. Nina emyaka 2 ndi mwisemu waya and my educational background in primary I went to Namugongo Girls Boarding Primary School. In secondary my O-level I went to King's College Budo and I went to Lubega Institute of Nursing and Medical Sciences and I pursued a certificate in nursing. As the second runners-up Miss Tourism Busoga, I'm looking forward to promote tourism by working hand in hand with the Ministry of Tourism and Heritage to unveil more tourist sites in Busoga Kingdom, and we shall work hand in hand with the TikTok family, and they will be making content in these places and encourage people to always come and visit them. I'll also use the platform to work hand in hand with the youth leaders in different chiefdoms to go to schools and encourage girls to always keep themselves in school and always tell them the advantages of staying in school. I would like to thank Mama Kadaga for providing for us the machines for making pads, and as girls, we shall work hand in hand with different people in societies to give out these pads to girls so that you can promote good personal hygiene among the girls. As the second runners-up Miss Tourism Busoga, I want to use the platform to work hand in hand with the youth leaders in different chiefdoms of Busoga to encourage girls in schools to keep themselves in schools and also tell them the merits of keeping themselves in schools. This will further help us or ease our administration, because we shall give out these pads to girls and it will keep them in school, because some girls when they are home or when they're in their peace they keep themselves home. As the second runners-up Miss Tourism Busoga 2024-2025, I will promote tourism by working hand in hand with the Ministry of Tourism and Heritage by unveiling more tourist sites in Busoga Kingdom, and together with the TikTok family, we shall be carrying out digital tourism by making content in these new places and always encourage people to come and visit them. To the youths out there, I tell you not to give up. If you're a girl and if you're still in school, please keep yourself in school, because education is the only key to success. And I always encourage boys not to carry out antisocial behaviors like smoking, taking alcohol, stealing people's property. I encourage you, if you lost hope, if you went to school and you lost hope, please, you can go to a vocational school or institute and learn something that can help you in the future. Thank you very much.